Okay, on this wet Friday afternoon at Autosparx, we've got a 2021 Landrover Defender to show you. We've installed a Global Telemetrics insurance category S5 Thatcham approved stolen vehicle tracking monitoring system with immobilisation and more importantly no tag no start. So the vehicle's got the system's got driver identification, so obviously these vehicles are usually stolen with a cloned or stolen key. With this system we've got a small credit card device. It's actually a Bluetooth card. It is actually the same size as your average credit card, so it fits nicely in your wallet. This is turned off at the moment just for demonstration purposes, but this the vehicle is looking for this card before it will start. If it can't see this card, it won't start. So if somebody even steals your key from your house, if you've not got this card, they can't start the car. This little charger here, this little USB charger, goes onto these two little contacts there, and that's your charging up of your card. So you can plug it into a you know, any USB kind of socket, charge your card up when you need to. You get two cards with the system, so you can keep one with your spare keys or one with your, you know, if two people use the car, you've got a card each. So if I just show you how it works, so obviously we've got the push button start. So foot on the brake, attempt to start the vehicle. So we see everything kicks into life and then it dies again straight away, so it's not starting. I'll just show you that again. Push the button, no start. Okay, so the vehicle's not letting us start at all. So what we need to do is present the card. So this would normally be on all the time. So you see it tells you how to turn the card on and off, but press the button there, you're going to flash the LED. That card's now turned on. Typically you can leave the card on all the time, you don't need to turn it off. You know, once the battery's started depleting it, you can just use your charger to charge it up again. So the card's turned on now, so the difference is the system should recognise the card and will attempt to start again. And there we go, now we've got engine run. You can see that there, bring the revs up a little bit. So there you go, so the system's now deactivated because it can see the card, it knows it's an authorised driver driving the vehicle, so it won't send any alerts to the control centre or anything like that. It's monitored 24/7, 365. The system also monitors for vehicle movement without ignition, so if somebody was to try and tow a vehicle away with this sort of system on, it would alert the control centre, and in turn they would alert the owner and, you know, carry out the necessary should they need to recover the vehicle. So it's a good system, nice and simple to use, no real end user interaction. You just need your card with you. If you've got your card, your vehicle will start. If you haven't got your card, your vehicle won't start. Simple as that. There's also you know, your typical smartphone app, so you can get on your app and see where your vehicle is, check out the vehicle's movements, etc. Quite handy if you lend your vehicle to somebody. Just keep an eye on where they are, what they're doing. But yeah, it's a nice, good system, solid system, nice and reliable. Any problems, any queries, give us a call. You can reach us on 0330 010 0506, or just search up Autosparx on our socials. You'll find us somewhere on the internet, all over the place. Yeah, give us a call, we'll help you secure your vehicle, Landrover Defender, or any other make and model. We can cover the all ranges. Give us a call to have a chat.